fantastic experience.
For me, it was wonderful. I could talk about the whole day. Oh, I had already decided after the Sundarbans experience that I am going to come with you only for Tadoba. And since the next was Tadoba, I came along with that.
Actually, I had a mind to have come Tadoba, but suddenly I saw on Facebook there are some seats available still, and I jumped at it. And it's really, I'm satisfied with Shashank and everything he has planned for us.
The landscape of the forest you're going to visit plays a very major role. It's about what you want to really see in the forest. So when we talk about forests like Bandipur, Kabini, Mudumalai, the terrain is completely different. It has lots of up and downs and it's a hilly terrain. Whereas in Tadoba, it's a sort of a flat terrain wherein the sight of the animal can be, it's easier to spot an animal in a flat terrain than what it could be in Kabini or Bandipur or other parks down south. Yeah.
So at Tadoba, I saw part of course from definitely the tigers. There were a lot of sloth bears also, which was my first sighting of sloth bear, and bison, and a whole family of bison, and all kinds of deer, the sambar deer, the barking deer, and of course the spotted deer. Then there were wild dogs, there were mongoose. Outside the buffer zone, we also saw one snake, and lots of species of birds. This is where I also saw the red-naped ibis, the black-headed ibis, and the serpent eagle.
Yeah.
And the owl, that was a moment like we were waiting for, because I remember from Sundarbans we missed the owl over there, so I at least could get a good glimpse of the owl here, the fishing owl. Leopard,
Crocodiles.
of course, crocodiles.
The safari stay was really good. It's quite comfortable. They take care of you quite well. I enjoyed the food. I don't know if you can make out, but I'm really full with breakfast right now. So it was really good. I mean, I've stayed at many places. Sometimes the accommodation is not so nice, but here it was really nice. They're right at the edge of the forest, I think. It's calm and quiet. I like such places. So I really enjoyed my stay here.
The guide was very persistent that the cubs should be there. We checked the spot time and again, at least 3 times. We did check the same spot again and again throughout the 4-hour safari. But then finally, when we were about to close the safari or when we were about to exit, we by chance went to the same spot again, and then it was so that the tigers were still there. The 2 tigers were there, and we were so lucky that the other cars, safari jeeps have left, and we were just there waiting so that the tiger could move out, and it did. And it was a wonderful sighting wherein two subadult cubs, I would not say cubs, 2 subadult tigers moved out of the bushes, and then one sat for a while and it gave us a good show while the other just walked away. Yeah, it was a very good experience.
I like the sight of Chhoti Tara. She was with her cub, and the cub was just running after mother and climbing on her mother. And they went to the pond also to have water, then go back again, and the cub was playing, and I loved it. It was really good sight to see.
To pick out one show is difficult, but I'll still pick on Yuvraj. That guy is a matinee idol. He came, he conquered all of us. He came into the water, did his show, and then came out even right in front of not our jeep but another jeep, licked the solar panel and went away. He was really royal and aptly named Yuvraj.
I think I'm really impressed with the drivers and the guide. The driving skills are top notch over here. I don't think you'll find such good drivers in cities, to be honest. The way they are able to pick up pace, move around, and the nice thing I found is that they're very courteous of everybody else, to the point that they make sure everybody is able to see all the animals there. The guides, of course, they are very good. The ones we got, they were very good in trying to predict the path of the animal, like where it would go next, what would be a good place to stay at. The two brothers that we saw, the guide was sure that they would come out at some point, and even Shashank was saying that we should be patient and stay there. So I really like that aspect of them having the patience and the understanding of the animal.
Shashank has the knowledge and the nuances of not just tigers, but any species he sees about it. Yeah, I mean, there are instances wherein, setting up aside tigers, wherein we saw and we enjoyed it. Setting out apart from tigers, there are in every particular bird or any particular species he sees about it. He explains it. And the knowledge he has about the birds and other animals is really good, and that helped us a lot to spot the tigers in specific in the trip. So it's a very good experience traveling with Shashank, and he explains about what the animal does or what its behavior and why it does, and it was a very fantastic experience.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.